Here we go!
It's an exciting weekend.
You know, being able to drive a long ways.
So, we totally picked the wrong game.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter. Why
Here we go!
It's an exciting weekend.
For her. Now, for me too, I gotta see what happens when we tow.
Airstream.
Airstream.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, we have to go to Kansas City to rent one.
Yes. That's why it is not behind us right now.
It'll be a lot of fun to see what the consumption's like.
Yeah.
See if it really is 20% more efficient. Yeah.
To Kansas City. It'll be dark by the time we get there. So
Yeah.
we'll probably see you in the morning.
Probably see you in the
Time to go get the Airstream.
Yay, Airstream! Yeah, we're gonna go pick it up, meet with the owners, and do a little walkthrough, and then get hooked up to it and take off. And then we'll be at our first charger, which is Gail's Harley Davidson. Might pick up a Harley. Or not. They do have an electric Harley. Maybe I want that. As you can tell, autopilot doesn't work.
We'll see you probably after we pick it up because we'll need to pay attention to what they
Yeah.
have to say. So
Yes.
we will see you on the flip side.
Video that we got hooked up?
No.
Well, we got hooked up.
This was only like 10 minutes from where we picked it up from to where we need to charge. What is the significance of this moment?
First time doing a CHAdeMO, so we'll see. Luckily, we have the adapter.
That's a big adapter.
Then it says waiting for EV. Wait for it to go green. I don't think it worked.
What you doing, Bella? You hanging out? We're gonna get this stuff out of your way now.
So let's try to start it through the app. Maybe that'll work better. Plug in. It's plugged in. You're plugged in now.
Back to you, Bella. What do you have to say about this?
Okay, it's green there. Okay. Can we get some green now?
Hey!
It's saying it's getting 50 kilowatts, which that's what the CHAdeMO should be getting. So we'll be here for a little bit. Gained 1% already.
Let's go get some stuff in the camper, huh?
Yeah.
We'll check back on this in a few minutes and see what it's doing. We're gonna go get a treat.
Yeah. Look out.
The nice people at Gail's Harley Davidson said what?
There's a tree in there.
Yeah, that's pretty cool of them.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think about that?
So that's technically
What's special about this one?
Electric.
Yeah. Do you want an electric motorcycle? Yeah?
When I grow up.
What else is good about this place? Popsicles? Yeah.
Alright, we're pulling the plug.
Oh,
We have 97%, so we went from 76% to 97.
We're down to
Charged us $5.
Almost 6.
What?
It's terrible.
We're all hitched up, ready to go.
We did not do that, just FYI. That was already like that. What's the verdict at this moment in time?
Well, I'm trying to do my typical 60 mile an hour for 30 miles to see where it's at, and the consumption is like 300 watt hours less than our other trailer. Anyways, so that puts us, being able to drive a long ways further, a long ways to us. So probably 50 extra miles, which is 50% more.
Be huge.
But
if that was true.
I don't know if that's true. I mean, it's only 13 miles into it. You get all excited, and then you have to go uphill the next 13 miles, and it doubles. So the last 5 miles, the average watt hours is 450, which is just, that's a little unreal. We haven't totally hit 15 miles yet, but as you can tell, it's going to be under 600, and especially when it takes that chunk away, it's going to even be less.
So if you want to get out of here quickly, it looks like the short answer is yes, aerodynamics matter a lot.
Bye. 20.
Just click like before you go, okay? I don't know if we've addressed this in previous videos, but if not, is anybody else experiencing where the car slams on the brake on entrance, like when an entrance ramp is coming onto the highway? Because
it is awful.
It's been doing it, and it's like, and
when you're towing, it's like twice as worse.
yeah. And we just had a shadow one, which is the one that reminded us, which we know that happens sometimes, where the car will stop.
It's also annoying.
Yeah, it is super annoying when it'll stop for a shadow, but
And you can't shut that
Yeah.
setting off.
maybe, like, we looked and looked, but if somebody knows a way to shut that off, please let us know, because especially like when we're towing and going down the highway, we do not want it to be slamming on the brakes.
Yeah, automatic braking. I don't need that. I'm
No.
paying attention.
Yeah, so please help us out here, internet world, because Steve's gonna have an aneurysm if we have to continue to live with this. Elon, if you're out there, fix it. It's totally not gonna do it. Oh,
Yeah,
there it
there it
goes.
goes.
See, we're slow. Slams on the brakes. I don't know why. Why? It's annoying.
I dig it. Yes.
Sweet, isn't it?
This is awesome. Airstream behind a Tesla.
Yes.
I like it a lot.
We tow. We have our own camera. We actually rented this one because we wanted to see what it would tow.
Yeah?
And our other one is terrible on consumption. This one's like It's still bad for Tesla, but it's
Right.
still, it's like 600 watt hours versus the other one's 800.
Oh
And
man!
that's doing 60.
What's
but,
that,
yeah.
like 100, less than 100 miles of range? Or
The 800 is right at 100. You do a lot of solar stuff? Is that what it is?
what we do.
Love it.
Been doing it for 8 years now, and just the whole energy thing is my gig. You
Yeah.
know, like we live off the grid, and
You do? Nice.
yeah, yep.
That's awesome.
It's a Nissan Leaf for my back and forth to home car, and then I got my 3 for
Yeah.
traveling,
Do you see
going
that?
to sell jobs and whatnot.
That's good.
I can't wait for the truck so that I can get rid of that gas fog and.
And then Ollie gets to pick one more. Don't drop them. You got it? All right. Did you get to pick your own apples?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Best charging stop ever, huh?
Well, this is a really cool stop.
Yes, this was a fun one.
Yeah. They're providing a charging spot for Tesla and then also for a Leaf, the J1, whatever. I can't ever remember that one. But anyways, you can juice up here. It goes up to 16 kilowatts. It's split between 2, so we're just getting 8 right now. But anyways, this guy's super cool.
Yes.
Runs a solar company, and he's doing like some really cool stuff here in Rich Hill, where he's making net zero houses, and just to try to help people understand that they can have a lower electric bill. And so anyways, super cool.
Yes.
So thank you, Jeff, for helping everybody understand that you can have electric and still have cool stuff.
And thanks for the apples too.
Yes.
That was
yeah,
the kids'
exactly.
favorite.
That was the other thing.
So if you're coming through and you're going south on 49,
49, yeah.
you should just stop in and charge just because.
Yeah, maybe you'll get to talk to them. It was super fun.
Sorry for the background noise. They're doing maintenance on the church over here. But
Yes, not electric.
no, not at all. So, but we should go hit the road.
Yeah, let's head to Joplin. Got here to the Joplin Supercharger. I did drop Katie and the kids off at Walmart so they can go get our camping supplies, our food, all sorts of stuff like that. This is a nice place for a camper because there's plenty of room. I had to turn around, all that. If there wasn't a person at one of the stalls, you'd only take up one stall, but I'm having to take up 2. So it is nice in that sense, but let me show you some of this stuff. It is kind of a hole back here. But anyways, whatever, it works. We can charge here. So, got to be grateful for that.
That even nice. Our trip down to Oklahoma was an average of 630 watt-hours per mile towing the Airstream. How does that compare to towing the Nano? We average around 800 watt-hours per mile towing that camper. That means the Airstream is 27% more efficient. We can go closer to 150 miles per charge instead of just about 100 miles per charge. So the claim that an Airstream is 20% more efficient is false, because it's actually more. Be sure to check back with us next week to see the rest of our adventures with this Airstream Bambi. We visited version 3 Supercharger, discuss our thoughts on the Airstream, and head back north. Our trip home proved to be an even bigger improvement in efficiency, so you'll have to see just how much. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our next video.